So welcome students. In this question you are asked to find the coefficient of x power 7 in this expansion. So how do we do this? So you have two options here. You can either use the concept of multinomial theorem or you can use the concept of binomial theorem. So if I have to use the concept of binomial theorem, first I need to convert this into a binomial. So as long as there are 4 terms, I cannot use the binomial expansion. So to convert this into binomial, what I do is I'll try to factorize this. So you have 1 minus x square plus x cube is equal to, so this expression is 1 minus x square times 1 minus x, right? So from these two, if I take x square, you get 1 minus x again. That is equal to 1 minus x times 1 minus x square. 1 minus x times 1 minus x square. So now, if you take this factorization and you put it here, so you get the given expression is nothing but 1 minus x whole power 6 into 1 minus x square whole power 6. So now this has a binomial expansion, this has a binomial expansion. Now you can expand these two. You have to find the coefficient of x power 7. Let us expand this. So you have the expansion of this is c0 minus c1x plus c2x square minus c3x cube plus c4x power 4 minus c5x power 5 plus c6x power 6, right? So where the default n is 6. So c0 minus c1, because you have minus in between, you have an alternate plus minus sign, into, so what is the expansion of this? Again c0 minus c1x square, right? This time x square powers will be increasing. So c1 into x square plus c2 into x square whole square is x power 4 minus c3 x square whole cube is x power 6 plus c4 times x power 8, so on. So higher powers are not required because you are interested in the power of, in the coefficient of x power 7. Now once you multiply this, what is the meaning of bracket multiplication? You take one term in this, you multiply it with each and every term. You take the next term, multiply it with each and every term. Third term, multiplication with every term, so on. Now if you want the coefficient of x power 7, now let us take the first term c0. So c0 when multiplied by which term gives x power 7? So c0 when multiplied by c0 gives a constant. c0 when multiplied by this gives an x square coefficient. c0 when multiplied by this gives an x power 4 term, so on. As you can see, there is no x power 7 here. So c0 cannot give x power 7 term with any of these terms. Next, if you go to the next term, you have c1 into x, you have 1x. How many more x's do you want? You need 6 x's. So if you multiply this term with this term, you get a x power 7. So minus c1 into x power 6 term is minus c3. Minus c1 into minus c3, you get an x power 7 term. Next, with x square you won't get an x power 7 term because you don't have an x power 5 here. Next, with x cube term, you get x cube into x power 4 is x power 7. That is minus c3 into plus c2. Minus c3 into plus c2. With x power 4 you won't get anything. With x power 5 you have minus c5 into minus c1. And with x power 6 you won't get any x power 7 term. So effectively my answer is minus into minus is plus, 6c1 into 6c3 minus 6c2 into 6c3 plus 6c5 into 6c1. So this will be the answer. Just need to calculate the numbers. That is equal to 6c1 into 6c3 is 6 into, what is 6c3? 6 into 5 into 4 by 6, 20. Minus 6c2, 6c2 is 6 into 5 by 2, 15 into again 20, plus 6c5 is 6 into 6. So that is equal to, so 20 times 6 minus 15, that is minus 9, minus 180 plus 36. Minus 180 plus 36 is minus 144. So option B is the right answer to this question. Thank you.